If you don't get your channel monetized this year, being 2024, I think you're in a big problem. And here is why. Because every single year, a new policy is being added on YouTube. A new policy has been added on YouTube. Just check it out on the 5th of October. I think any video from a minute or just a minute to 3 minutes will be considered a short video. Also, in this video, I will also tell you what you can do in order to get yourself monetized before 2025, because I don't know what is coming after us. I think it's going to get harder. There's no way things going to be easier than it is right now, because I'm thinking when you enter 2025, you'll be like, oh more, I wish I got my channel monetized, and by then, who knows, things are too hard. Hola. Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Stanley, and I'll be kind of giving you a word of advice. Should I say that? I don't know what it is, but watch, because obviously you have to watch this just for you to be motivated to know exactly what you have to do, because nothing on YouTube is easy. It's something, I always say this, it's something you need to bring out time. Bring out things, just arrange your plans for the week, month, or schedules in order to just try to do something that particular month. Because YouTube is not something you say it's going to be like a side hustle. I don't know, people just get luck with YouTube sometimes, though, because I might be here out there putting out video every single day, every single hours, while someone from nowhere will just upload just a single video crying out loud, and boom, it have got like 100 followers, a lot of views, and Jesus Christ, are we different? Now sometimes you keep on imagining all those things, and I think one of the reasons is always the value you give out there, the what your videos, in some, a lot of niche is oversaturated. There are a lot of people who are into this niche, and you need to try to let people know that you are better, and this is a lot of things you gain from my channel. You need to let them know there are a lot of things you can put in your video. Now first thing first, let's say we start with a short. I remember I made a video about this, particularly about short videos, what exactly you have to do, things you are supposed to do, because there are a way of you putting on these short videos that you get your views, get your videos out there. But some people intend to do it wrongly, unknowingly. Some people still know, but anyways, I'm saying the first one, you have to be making use of short. Now there are a lot of ways you can do that. Now when I say short videos can help you get more followers, get more people to come at least following you, to be like, make your channel noticeable. And most times they don't always get interested in your longer videos, but you uploading a short video will give you the upper hand. And let me something that is related to your long videos, at least they will get a short review of what your long video is normally about, and this is something I think is very good. Now let's talk about the second one. Probably I should I should say making doing live stream though. What am I saying about live stream? Live stream is going to help a lot, because the watch hours there. Now please, hopefully when you're trying to do something like of a live stream, let's be something that people really want to watch about. Now they can sit there a couple of hours, and those things will be included to your watch hour. Unlike shorts, you just no matter if you get a million views and you achieve that 4 hours, the 40 or whatever hours is involved, you will still not be added. Now that's something. But if you're on live stream often than usual, maybe, who knows, maybe once in a day, but we still about 5 hours. I'm kidding, depends on you, and you stay up to that, and probably you might end up getting like an hour, and it depends on what you are streaming on. If it's something really people just genuinely want to see, and it's not must you show your face. It's not really must you show your face, okay? And after everything, your video automatically uploads on YouTube. Now I think that is what.
Hold on, you want to subscribe? What are you waiting for? Do you want me to beg you? Please, subscribe. Do not forget to like. You like the video, please. Subscribe. Now enjoy.
try to be consistent on YouTube. Now what I'm trying to say about that is that you need to be uploading probably 3 times in a week, 3 times in a week, and please, not just any other videos. Try to improve in each of your videos, for crying out loud. Make sure your thumbnail, that's what really matters, because people tends to look at the thumbnail and like, hey, okay. I think mostly, but also I'm also thinking the thumbnail sometimes is not really the big deal. It's about your video getting to the rightful people who really want to watch this. I don't know if you understand. Just like I was go on my like sidebar and I input this following word, how to get 1 billion in an hour. Now I see tons of videos and they are just related to the topic, but if I see a good video that's quite exactly the same thing I put, I'll likely click on it. Now that's I'm getting referred to a video that's what I want. This is exactly what I want. So what I'm trying to say is that now it's not always the whole thing here. The main thing here is to try to get yourself to the perfect people, the perfect audience, because once they are there, they always want to click in that video. But one thing you have to consider is the thumbnail, because the thumbnail have to say a lot of things about your video. Fourthly, I think you need to have more than 2 or 3 channels. Now you need to try different niche, my brother. You need to try different niche. Don't always stick in one. Don't always put all your hope in one channel. Try to check this one. Do a lot. Come on. You're seeing the prince in a mode because you're not monetized yet. You're not yet monetized. I don't know. You see in his palm, like in his space of trying to check out new things to do. And what I think is going to be perfect is something that you can be monetized, but then it won't be hard to make videos. So you can be able to make videos. This is like choosing of a niche. These are things you need to consider, because you need to think carefully. Something that you can easily grab your camera, set up your camera, and boom, you're making a video. Not something you need to set up your camera, do this, do that. At the end of the day, you get demoted and like, oh my god, I can't do this. And you know how sometimes after you finish recording a video and you find out your video is not recorded. Jesus Christ, that is so annoying, because you'll be there talking as if you're talking to a fool. Now this is something I'm trying to put into. Now I can't really remember what else to add to this, make it 5th one, but I think it should be okay, and I'm pretty sure you can move on with this. Yeah. All right.